Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Menards big card. Now, I had this credit card and I loved it when I did have it. I stopped using this credit card and I no longer have this credit card. But when I had this credit card, I loved it so much. It's just with this credit card, they have different things where you guys can have a 0% APR and you guys can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry. So if you guys are looking to get a credit card with Menards, then definitely stick around because I'm going to teach you guys how you can get this credit card. And then I'm going to show you guys two other credit cards that's similar to this credit card that you guys can also pre-qualify for. So then maybe you'll get, approval with this one, plus you'll get approval with those. And then say if you was aiming towards, $10 to $15,000 collectively, you can possibly get that with these credit cards. So if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I talk about real estate, I talk about credit, and I always talk about credit cards. I have a blog that I just started, which is Rickita.com. On Rickita.com, you guys can see all different credit cards that's out there. I try to make a review for every credit card that's even available. So in the United States, I am going to go and branch off, but this credit card and plus other credit cards that I talk about is always on my website. So definitely go there and check them out. And anytime I tell you guys about a credit card like the Menards credit card, I'm going to also have three other credit cards that's similar to that credit card, so that just in case you don't get approved for that one, then hopefully you can get approved for one of the other two. And I try to aim towards showing you guys credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now let's check out the Menards credit cards, and then let's check out the other credit cards that's definitely out there. Now here's a website for Menards. Now the thing I do like about Menards is you can see right here they have the 12 months equal pay plan. So if you guys spend $599 on this credit card, then you guys will have interest-free financing on that. And they have other ones too, where you guys can get interest-free financing for 6 months, 12 months, and even 24 months. I mean, 28 months. I mean, 48 months. I can't even talk. And even 48 months is basically 4 years. Now, one of the other credit cards I'm going to talk to you guys about, they have it where you can do 84 months. Yes, you can go all the way up to 84 months, but they are going to charge you a smaller interest amount, but you guys are still going to be charged. But they have that option available for those people that's interested in it. Now, something I really like that about the Menards too is that you can get the 2% rebate to me, which is basically 2% back. I do not like Menards rebate systems. I do not like that you have to get a rebate and send it in, because honestly, sometimes I forgot to send in rebates. That's one thing I don't like. So if you were to have this car, try to come up with a system where you can get those rebates and send them in on time. Because if you guys get so much cash back, like with me, I used to have like $30 rebates and I just didn't send it in. So it's like $30 I'm missing out on. And when I did remember to send them in, I was so happy to take that back to the store and buy more stuff. So make sure you guys stay on track of definitely stay on top of that. Now, I told you guys can definitely pre-qualify, so you can see if you actually approve for this credit card. And then again, you eligible with no risk to your credit score, so it's not going to be a hard inquiry for them to try to get you approved for this credit card. But they saying to also apply today to get an additional $10 rebate on your first $100 you spend on your big card. So to me, that's kind of like a sign up bonus, the $10 sign up bonus. If you guys want this card, to me, it's going to be mostly because you probably have a big purchase, you own a house, maybe you do rehabs, or maybe you do flips. You can actually put some charges on here and, wait till you actually finalize that flip or finalize whatever you're doing. And when the money come back, you can pay off this card. That's what I think this card should be for. Or those homeowners, you own a home and you want to purchase something that's over $299 and you probably don't want to pay on it right now, or you want to use your car right now but you don't want to pay interest. This is good because you got that 12-month option too, you guys. Now, but with the 12 months, you are going to have to spend more. So for the 12 months, you're going to have to spend $599, and then for the 48 months, you have to spend $1,500. But they are going to charge you a 29% APR. So please keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. Now they have additional benefits, and let me tell y'all my little hack that I used to do. And you keep this in mind. I love that you can use this credit card at all of these different places. So you can use it at Speedway, you can use it at Quick Trip, and my favorite place to use it, my favorite place to use this card was at Speedway, because y'all know Speedway always have that the points, right? You know, Speedway always have where you can rack up points. I would literally have 50,000 points with them. um I would rack up so many different points, and when I got those points, I would use my points to um maybe if, during that time I was doing like rehabs on properties and stuff like that. When I was low on my cash, I knew at least, oh, I got enough money to give me some snacks or give me a hot dog because I love their hot dogs. You can get gift cards to use on gas. I used to do that also. So you guys can definitely do that. And I used to always make sure that I got my gas from Speedway, and you can use your Menards card to do that. So for those people that's looking to get gas, or maybe you just starting off in your trucking company and maybe you just don't have business credit or anything like that, you can still get that Menards card and put your gas purchases on there. Whatever you want to do with it, but just know you can spend your card there. You can use your card there. Plus, you're going to get that 1% rebate on gas and your merchandise. And then also too, you are going to get exclusive rebates when you use your big card and you buy these different things. So you guys can go from getting 2% back in rebate to 3% back in rebate. So I really like that. I think I'm not making this video. Maybe I need to get my Menards card back. Now, Menards is going to be through Capital One. I believe, I know for sure when I had it, I had still this. I got the Menards card as like, if you guys been following me for a while, like when I got my first cards, I told you guys my very first card was a credit card through a credit union, but I just don't count that. Like my first being aware of, hey, I'm gonna go into getting credit cards and I'm gonna think about this. I want to get a lot of credit cards. I'm gonna manage it. When I got into having a little bit of knowledge on credit cards, this was one of the first ones I got the Capital One Platinum, I got the Capital One Quicksilver. Those were my first ones I got, and then I got this one here. So I know that you can, sometimes I tell you guys you can only have two personal and two business credit cards with Capital One, but they still allowed me to get this one. And I'm thinking this is just because it's one of their co-branded cards. It's not like the actual Capital One credit card. But I really like this card, you guys. So I'm thinking, now I'm making this video, like maybe I need to get the card back again. Maybe I need to get it back again. But there's a lot of stuff on here that you guys can definitely check out. And I really like them. Now, let me show you all the other credit cards I think you guys may want to look into getting. So one of the credit cards I want you guys to look into getting is the Home Depot card. And I like this one because they can also pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Somebody said before that you can't, but you definitely can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry. Look right here, pre-qualify now. That means they're gonna tell you yes or no on whether or not they can get a credit card without a hard inquiry. Plus, you guys can check out that Lowe's credit card. And plus, I have another bonus one on my website. Go to Rickita.com. I even have it down below. That's another credit card that you can get with this one, and it got 5% cash back. I like that one because you could pre-qualify for that one. And I have a $50 credit for it. So definitely check on the website, Rickita.com / Menards Big Card, and then you guys will see that link to a similar credit card that will give you a $50 credit. So definitely check it out. And like I said too, they have the 0% APR for those people. They have the special financing. So the Lowe's got the 6-month special financing, and this is the one that can go all the way up to 84 months of fixed monthly payment. So I really like that. Now, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I am having a 60 points in 60 days challenge. If you guys haven't heard, it's where we're going to come together and we're going to do multiple meetups. The first meetup is definitely going to be free for everybody. That's when I'm going to tell you the full plan on how to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. And then we're going to go from there because it's actionable steps that you have to do. So if you guys are like me sometimes where it's like, dang, I need to do this, but it just don't feel right at that time, you're kind of lazy, then definitely make sure you guys sign up because we're going to be doing it all together. Where it's like we're going to come together 5 times total, and within those 5 times, we're going to go step by step. Did you do this? Did you do that? Okay, today we're going to do this. write this down on your to-do list, do this, this, and that. 3 steps. I'll meet you back here in 2 weeks. It's kind of going to be that type of feel. That way I make sure that people are getting the help that they need. And I'm actually looking at everyone's credit reports to say, hey, this is what you need to increase your credit score. So it's individualized. So definitely check that out. I have the link down below in the comments and in the description. Hopefully this video was helpful. Definitely make sure you guys sign up for my exclusive credit membership also, because the 60 points in 60 days, that's something I aim for with clients that's a part of the exclusive credit membership already. That's something I aim to teach people on how to do automatically. But I'll see you guys in the next video.